Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about evaluate this integration by definition. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we need to separate them into the integration from negative number 1 to number 0, ask the ask, and form the integration from 0 to positive number 1. Now, we have the formula in here. So by definition, they should be like this. We have the limit and approach to positive infinity, and we have the summation I equals to number 1 to n, and we have f of I delta s, and we multiply by delta s. So about delta s, that is about b minus a over n. So now I will apply the formula for this one. So the function in here equals to s. So if we use about definition, about delta s, that is about b minus a over n. So that is about 1 minus 0 divided by n. Similar for this one. So this one we have I over n, and this is about 1 over n. So we have f of s equals to s. So this one we have in. Because we put I over n go to this function, that's why we have I over n in here. So n multiplied by n, we have n squared. I will put in here. Next, we have the second formula. 1 plus 2 plus 3 until n equals to n plus 1 over number 2, and that is equal to this series in here. Now we need to put this one go in here. So n divided by n. Next, we divide by n on numerator and denominator. So this one we have number 1, this one we have number 2. So when n approach to positive infinity, 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. And we have 1 over 2. Now let's go to the second one. But this one we do the same. However, we need to change a little bit in here. So this one we have 0 minus negative number 1. Similar for this one. And we have like this. However, If we put about this number from negative number 1 to number 0, this is about negative number. So the series for this one, that should be about negative 8. So we put a negative sign here. And now we have the same. So if we simplify and we have negative 1 over 2. Now we have this one. So this one we have negative 1 over 2. This one we have positive 1 over 2. And we have 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.